The fusee emerged in the 17th century to correct the rate variations of early mechanical pocket watches caused by the uneven force of the mainspring. Its development is associated with studies on precision and isochronism by Christian Huygens. Between the 18th and the early 19th century, it became common in high-quality European pocket watches and precision timekeepers. A key element of the system was the fusee chain, extremely fine and made up of hundreds of microscopic links. Its manufacture required great skill and, in several watchmaking regions such as England and Switzerland, it was often carried out by children, reflecting the harsh labor conditions of the period. From the mid-19th century onward, improvements in mainsprings and escapement design made the fusee unnecessary. The system fell out of use and remains today as an important technical and social testimony of early horology. The primary function of the fusee system is to compensate for the variation in force produced by the mainspring in a mechanical watch, ensuring a more constant supply of energy to the movement. Its operation is based on a helical cone connected to the mainspring by a very fine metal chain. When the watch is fully wound, the chain is wrapped around the narrowest part of the cone, where the leverage is smaller, reducing the effect of the mainspring's excess force. As the spring unwinds and loses power, the chain gradually moves toward the wider sections of the cone, increasing the leverage and compensating for the loss of energy. In this way, the torque transmitted to the gear train remains more uniform throughout the running period. The result is a more stable rate and a significant improvement in accuracy, especially in early watches, where mainsprings did not exhibit consistent elastic behavior.